Hey there, folks.
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best products on the market so you can make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of beard care. And I've got something special for all you gentlemen out there with wiry beards.
Introducing the SheaMoisture Beard Conditioning Oil, crafted specifically for those rugged, wiry beards that need a little extra love and care. This right here isn't just any beard oil. It's your solution to taming those wild hairs and achieving the soft, manageable beard you've always dreamed of.
Now, let's talk about what sets this beard oil apart from the rest.
Firstly, it's formulated with a blend of maracuja oil and shea butter, two powerhouse ingredients known for their moisturizing and softening properties. This means your beard gets the hydration it craves, leaving it feeling silky smooth to the touch. But what really makes this product stand out is its ability to tackle those stubborn, wiry hairs. You know the ones I'm talking about, the ones that seem to have a mind of their own, sticking out in all directions.
Well, say goodbye to those unruly strands because this beard oil works wonders in taming them, giving you a more polished and put-together look. Customer, I've been using the SheaMoisture Beard Conditioning Oil for a few weeks now, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer for my beard. I used to struggle with wiry hairs that just wouldn't cooperate. But this oil has softened them up and made them much more manageable. Plus, the scent is amazing. It's like a breath of fresh air for my beard. And speaking of scent, let's talk about the delightful aroma of this beard oil. Infused with the refreshing scent of maracuja and shea butter, it leaves your beard smelling as good as it looks. No more stale or unpleasant odors lingering in your facial hair, just a clean, invigorating scent that'll have you feeling confident all day long. So, if you're tired of battling with your wiry beard and ready to experience the ultimate in beard care, look no further than the SheaMoisture Beard Conditioning Oil.
Trust me, your beard will thank you. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, take care and happy grooming.